I was just gifted this enameled cast iron Dutch oven from Overmont, and I am really excited to put this to the test. Now, I already have two big name brand Dutch ovens that I love and use all the time. So I am really curious how this Overmont compares, especially because it's at such a nicer price point. Let's unbox it. It comes wonderfully packaged. And this is gorgeous. I can already tell you that the quality is there all through. I am really impressed with how this is looking. Let me show you all the components. To start off with, it has this beautiful, really easy to hold handle. I love the writing on it, and it comes in a variety of enamels. This blue enamel has beautiful contrast. Really, really nice. And on the underside, all of these points help with precipitation, and it has a really nice seal along the edges. And since this is cast iron, the seal is going to feel rough, but that is designed to last a lifetime. It's really beautiful, and the pot does not disappoint. It has really nice handles on the sides, and the enamel on the inside is fantastic. While this is not officially a non-stick surface, I find that cooking on enamel is really easy and clean to do. Just be sure you use wood cooking utensils or silicone, no metal on this, and it has a really thick base. I can feel the heft to that, and that thickness is what will help this give me a more even cooking, which is definitely something I want to put to the test. Now this is the 4.5 quart or 24 centimeter diameter pot, and I am already in love. This is so nice. And it comes with some goodies as well. You get these super cute little mini handle mitts, so you can easily hold it when it's hot. And this silicone piece can also be used as a hot mitt, but what I love this for is to protect surfaces when the pot is hot. Now, testing it first with boiling some water, I love how I can see how it's evenly starting on the outside where the heat is, but it really is boiling the water throughout very evenly. Now let me dump that out and do one more test. And this time I want to test it with some onions and butter just to see how well it sautés. I love the even cook with the butter. You can see throughout how cleanly that is heated throughout the bottom. And adding a little onion in there, it is sauteing exactly as I want to see. I'm not seeing any cold spots. It's already giving me that browning because it's a little hotter, and I love that, as that definitely helps with the flavor, and it's just a really nice cooking experience. I am quite impressed.